Ricochet with Thunderstruck Transport. Welcome back to my channel, Nothing But Trucking. We're out here in Denver, Colorado. I'm at the Kroger facility. It's a big grocery warehouse, does King Soopers and a few other places. I'm not sure all the affiliates that are part of the Kroger brand. But we are here today. We picked this as the load we did in Kentucky after sitting all weekend. But we did make it out here to Denver. Picking up a load tomorrow, heading down to South Carolina. So we are keeping on the run, so that's good. The wheels ain't turning, we ain't earning. So we're gonna get the drone up. We're gonna go check in with security, show you where you come in and check in. If you're a truck driver and you're coming to this facility, that kind of gives you a little bit better idea of what to expect. This one here is pretty good. I've got a load of frozen food and I don't really deliver till midnight, so I'm not sure if they're even going to let me check in yet. I don't think they are, but we're going to check. If not, we'll head down to the truck stop, we'll get the truck washed, it could use it, and come back later. Or I could just stay here all day. Never a dull minute sitting in a parking lot. So anyway, we'll go ahead and get the drone up, go get the truck over checked in, and we'll see what we can do. So let's get it done. Alright guys, here we come. We are coming into the Kroger here in Denver, Colorado to get unloaded. So we're just about here, just got to turn down this corner. We'll go park in the parking lot and we'll get it done. we are here at the Blue Beacon Truck Wash. Over here at the truck stop. Seeing we're not going to be able to get checked in, we're going to come over here and get the truck and trailer washed. So we usually get it done about once a week. It's been about 2 weeks since I've actually had it done, so we're due for it. So I got a parking lot in here now, getting job where you can see my windows. I got bug splatters everywhere, so we're definitely needing a truck wash. So these guys here are pretty good at this Blue Beacon, so we like to get it done here. So we'll get pulled in and give this thing a bath. Cleaned again, looking good. Let's go ahead and get the reefer started up. Make sure that gets going. Alright, that started up again, so we're good. So yeah, got the tires looking good. Nice and shiny. Ooh, man, it's so bright I gotta put on my sunglasses. There we go, got the spikes all cleaned up, looking good. Do that Mad Max thing, you know, with the spikes. Alright, we're looking good, so that'll be that for this. Alright guys, well, I'm going to call it quits for this video. I don't want it to run on too long. I've got about 6 more hours before I'm just going to drive over there and get back in. It's going to be dark around midnight, so consider this one done. And we'll start up tomorrow with where we're picking up and heading back down to South Carolina for Ellery to the Food Lion, and that'll be a good few day run. So keeping the wheels moving. Anyway, guys, hope you all enjoyed the drone work. Let me know what you thought of in the comments. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please do so. And appreciate you coming along with me on this ride. So y'all have a great day. Thanks for stopping by.